Hi, and welcome to another video by Dave Tromp. And this is a video in the series videos that I'm making to guide anyone to start trading the Forex markets. And these series of videos also apply to other markets like the CFD markets on stocks, ETFs, etc. So in this video I will have a look at how much money you need to get started trading. And then let's focus on CFD and FX markets. You can actually start trading with little to no money. I'm not saying you should do this, but it is possible. So you can open a practice account or demo account, as they call it, with many brokers, and then you can you will get an account with some virtual money, and you can just see if you can grow this account. So you can start trading following your trading strategy and see if you can grow the account. Although it sounds like a good idea to do this, I do advise anyone to very quickly, after 1 or 2 weeks, open a real life account and add a small amount of money, because trading with real money is different than trading with virtual money, because as soon as you have some money on the line, even if it's just a few euros or dollars, will make you behave differently. For instance, if you trade an account, a practice account, and it goes down 20%, maybe on one trade, that would be a very well, not good trade in my opinion, but on a practice account you can easily do this and you will not feel any pain. So let's say this practice account starts at 100,000 euros and you place a very large trade, and then in a few moments time you will lose $20,000, and then 5 minutes later it comes back and you make $20,000 or euros. So in the end you had a winning trade, but in real life, if it would have been real money, you would have closed out this trade maybe for 2,000 or 3,000 euros loss, instead of holding it through the 20,000 euros drawdown that would result later in a profit. So this is why trading with a practice account is good, just to see if you can understand how the platform works and see if you can execute trades according to your strategy on it. And then you should switch, in my opinion, to a trading account with a small amount of money, just to get a feel of losing money with your trading strategy. And once you have traded with a small amount and you are consistently profitable, you can consider to scale up your account. So that's step 3. You can scale up your account by starting to put in regular deposits. So maybe you have a job and you have a paycheck, and every month you can set aside a portion of your salary and add it to your trading account, and then start trading larger and larger accounts and larger position sizes. Why you would want to do this and not stick with the small amount account is trading will cost time. You will have to look at the charts and the markets, do analysis, place trades, monitor your trades, and this all costs time and effort. And it could be a fun exercise, but it's very important that you get a good return on your time invested. So if you trade like I do, I trade around my day job. So not every, but in the morning I will check the charts, and in the evening and in the weekend I do my forecast. So this all costs time. So if I would have maybe a let's say something, a 30% return on investment per year with my trading strategy, trading around my job, and I would do this with $1,000 account. I would make $300 for a year of trading. So that's not a really good return on my time. So I need to scale up my account so that I could make, if I have an account of $10,000, I would make $3,000. That would be a little bit better, more worthwhile. So this is, but you should only do this once you have the confidence and you are consistently profitable. So it's a 3-step process. First, start with no money. Let's recap. Then very quickly, after 1 or 2 weeks or maybe a month of practice trading, you should open a small account with maybe 500 euros, dollars, or British pound, whatever they let you put in it. And then you should start scaling up your account by putting in regular deposits once you are consistently profitable. So that's my approach on getting into trading with ever larger account size. To me, it makes sense. Let me know in the comments below what you think is possible for you and what's reasonable. It's different for everyone, and I'm really looking forward to reading your comments. If you like these kind of videos, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to the channel to be notified of any new videos that I post on my channel. See you in the next video.